Well, it is 6:17 p.m. on Tuesday, and I am pretty much just starting my day, so let's go. Hi YouTube fam, I'm trying to mount my camera in a way that would be like a typical car girl mount. But trying to mount this in a way that you guys can hear me talk and vlog while I drive post track day to wash my car. Ah! That's a stop sign, sir, that you just ran. Yeah, track day was super fun. I'm really happy I went. I got an instructor this time and it made the world of difference to my driving and confidence. So I recommend anyone that is going out to a track alone by themselves with no experience get an instructor. It was beyond helpful to learn lines and braking zones and learn to look ahead. This is probably so illegal to like hold this selfie stick and drive. Giving up on this idea. I will see you when I get to the car wash. My car going into this driveway. It's not empty. This is fun. I love making videos. Okay. I have made it to the car wash. I'll post the clip that I have from driving, but I had to drive past rice fields on the way to the track and my car was literally covered in bugs, so this is why we were washing. I can't with the bugs. Wow, it is hot. It is right now, but I just washed my car post track day. I still have like my chair and all my tools and whatnot in the back. I don't really remember where I left off earlier when I was driving and trying to be sketchy and film. But yeah, I'm gonna do like little daily updates with my car and my adventures. They're gonna be short and sweet little videos, but daily. And yeah, I really appreciate all the continued support, and stay tuned for a bunch of stuff as tracks reopen and life hopefully starts to go back to normal. But yeah, peace out. Thanks YouTube.